Hello, my name is Thomas Plan. I'm with Univox. Univox is well known for hearing loops and assistive listening. We've been in business since 1965. This year at the ISE we're focusing on our new integration hearing loop module, the MLS-1. With the MLS-1 you can integrate a hearing loop function into pretty much any type of communication system. Just connect a 6 to 24 volt power supply to it. It needs either a mic level signal or a line level signal. Connect a loop cable, and that's everything that this product needs for you to get a hearing loop function into your communication system. So this is the loop driver itself. So either work with this product only. It also comes in with a set of different sorry about that, set of different accessories. This is a already made up loop within the box, so this could for example go next to your communication system and hook everything up that way. So there are loads and loads of different possibilities for this good product to be integrated into whatever type of communication system that you're working on right there. So for more information, please visit our website. It's www.univox.eu. Thank you.